everybody, this is Della with Gillespie Florist. I'm here with Robyn today, and we're going to pick out some prom kits, and just to show you guys how it works after you've placed your order for prom. And this is the step before the designers actually assemble your corsage. So I'm going to flip the camera around so we can see what we're doing. So prom, we've got a corsage here, Robyn, and it looks like, I don't know if you guys can see that. Try to block the name here. It says 14PN04. So that means this is actually off the website. Is that right?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So when that happens, what do we have to do?
First step would be to pull up that particular corsage on the website. That way we know exactly what is in it. Let's get something going here.
Hold on, you guys here. I'm going to situate the phone here. Okay.
There we go. All right. So we are now on our website, and we are going to look up this number. Right there in that lovely little search bar, and it's going to pull up that picture right away. So what we like to do for our designers is write down a list of all of the different items, even down to the color, and any decorative extras that are on the corsage. So this one here has pink Alstroemeria lilies, pink mini carnations. It has green hypericum berries. It has 3 different types of ribbons in there. Now these are not your traditional corsage ribbons. These are extras. So we'll have to go to pull those ribbons. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the little clear rhinestone flowers. And it looks like it's probably just on your traditional elastic wristband. All right. I think that pretty much covers everything that we need to write down for our designers so that they know what they're using. Now we're going to go over this.
Hi, Pearl.
Hey, Pearl. We are going to pull our box for our corsage. We are going to grab the bracelet.
Huh? Oh, good luck. No, I don't think so.
All right, so all of our flowers, decorative fun stuff, is going to be over here. And let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the little clear flowers. We're going to put that in our box. And we are going to move inside so that we can find those ribbons.
Cool. That's one of them.
Got one.
I think this is one of them too. One of these two. We actually might have to go back and look at the picture again.
Yeah, I think you do. I didn't do a very good job.
Well, I've been looking at it and I wasn't even paying attention. Okay, yeah, it's like a checkered.
Yep, the pink checkers, and we also need the pink polka dots.
Okay. Okay.
Pink polka dots and pink checkers. We're going to have to play hunt down the ribbon.
Let's see. So it's going to be one of these guys. See, that one's a specialty ribbon. It might be that one. Nope.
Nope. And we're gonna tie this one in. And oh, we got more green polka dots. I have a feeling that maybe one of our designers has the ribbon that we are looking for.
Okay. I wonder if we could use this one.
I think that might be an okay substitution if we have to, because it does have little speckled polka dots on there.
Yeah, I think that would be
and
okay.
it would match the green.
Yep. Let's see. See, I know this isn't pink, but this is almost a checkered, and it's beige.
We will have to continue our search for a correct ribbon for this one.
Okay. And then, is there anything else that we have to collect for it after that? No? Okay, so then once we've collected everything, then where do we put the corsage box
We
stuff?
will take our kit that we have put together, and we're going to go put it on, well, we are going to go put it over here.
Is this all these boxes here?
Well, those are kits that have already been pulled. Everything is prepared and ready for the designers to make them.
Okay, so just...
And over here, we have a nice little box going of new orders that the designers have not done anything to assemble them.
Now, the fresh flowers are not in those, right?
Correct.
Okay. All right, so we place it there, and then the designers will assemble it, and then they'll put it up there. And then after that, it goes to Mary Alice up here, which she's not there right now, but she puts the flowers in. And then after we put the flowers in, where does it go?
Then a lot of times, just so that you guys can see your corsages and boutonnieres before you come to pick them up, the designers will bring them into our photo studio, and they will set them here on my table.
Oh, look, there's one already ready.
Be prepared to photograph them and get them ready for you guys to come and see them and pick them up.
So then you text them a picture, and if there's anything that they don't like, they can let us know.
Absolutely.
Okay, and then where does it go after that?
Then we will take the box, once it's already been photographed, everything's been bagged up, sealed up, ready to go. Okay. We will take them to the cooler. And here in the cooler, we have corsages and boutonnieres that have already been assembled, and you guys will be receiving pictures of them within the next day or so.
Cool. All right, awesome. Okay, well, Robyn, thank you so much for talking with us today and showing us the whole process. I know we did this last year, but I think that, it's nice for customers to see the whole process.
Not everybody probably saw it last year, so, now everybody can see it.
Okay, all right, well, thanks, and have a great afternoon.
You too.